open today. So let's see them all. Now, look at all of them. They're so cool. Let's get started to open them. Allie, open this one. Okay, I'll help you. Want to use some scissors? No. Yeah, you have to. That's hard. Open on. Let's see the prizes we got. Aww. Look at this cute squishy. It's a key. Is it a keychain? It's right here. That's the squishy we got today. What is it called though? I don't know. I guess there's not anything. Ellie wants to try. It just looks like milkshake. Aw, he's so cute. Ruby, your turn to open that. Let's open this one. I wonder what we got. You take out one and then I take out one. Whoa! Look at it. Let's see. This one is the one that showed you all the types. Whoa! This one's. Look at guys. Look at them. Let's take them out of the body. Got mine open. Whoa! I don't know what his name is. Let's see. Check what this one is. What's that? We got this pink glitter.
Let me
one. Look at it, Allie. It's glittery. I think let's see. The one. Let me see that one. This one's a pink one. And I'm not sure. Its name is. It doesn't show the name, but we got it. It's right there if you can see it. And then let me see the next one. This one is. Where is it? It doesn't really show. Oh, it's right here. It's in the glittery gang. Our gray one is in the glittery gang. What about the pink one? And this pink one is in the stargazers. So these are the two we have. And you can get all these types of surprises. There is that one, and that one. There are many different groups you can get from. I don't know how much you can get out of all of this, but these are all of them. Yep, they're nice. They feel nice. I really like them. And now, the number. Well, now let's get opening this big one. Ruby, you take a side. Allie, you take this side. You want to hold it down? Yeah. Okay, open it. I'm just gonna open it now. Okay, come on. Whoa! Oh, look at all of it. Look at it! Allie. Look at this.
Yes.
It's slow rising, guys. This one's fast. It's
Look
so
at
good.
you can see where's the keychain.
This smells really good. This says name, so that's a name tag for him. If you guys were here, you would be able to smell this one. I wonder if this one's scented. Ooh, this one's also scented. Let me see.
Let me get.
Look at this one. Look at all of them. Whoa, they're keychains also. Oh, the one keychain goes to this one, see? Yeah. How do you open this? I don't know.
Open that.
But look at it. It's so cute. Let's get out this one. I guess you can't take it out. But let's see what this says.
Let me see it.
So,
Let me just see it really.
it's showing all the different types you can get. Let me come and show you guys. So you can get all these types. There's this one. This one's the one we got. And there's all these different types. You can get up to 5 different types of squishies with their own little keychains and little squishies. Those are the ones, I don't know, but these also have their names, but I'm not sure where they are. So yeah.
Okay,
so
can I see?
We can open all of them. Whoa. We got Harper, Hippo, Wanda Waffle, and Emma Eggy. Ruby, you think we should show them how they're slow rising or fast rising? Yeah. This one is a fast rising. This one's a slow riser. This one's fast rising, slow rising. This one's it's kind of fast, but it's medium. These ones don't really squish, I guess. There are many different ones, and this one is fast
right here so they can see all the squishies we got.
Look
today.
at all these ones that are on here.
Allie, where's the other squishies right here?
On these ones. And well, thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed. So give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell
so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video.
Bye!